Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a monkey by using semicircle and circle. Come, let's start. First draw a semicircle for the head. Then draw curves like alphabet M. Now draw curve like alphabet U. From small m, draw another small m curve inside the face. Draw two circles for an eyes. Now draw two small slanted lines for the neck. Now from the neck, draw two parallel upward curve on both the sides of the neck. Now draw simple U curve for fingers. Draw curves on both the sides from the hand. Draw alphabet C curve and reverse C for the legs. Now draw fingers. Draw an oval for the tummy. On both the sides of the head, draw an ear by using semicircle. Draw hair on top of the head. Draw two small circles for nose and U-shaped curve for the mouth. Draw small m for the tongue. Draw two parallel C curve for the tail. Let's start coloring. Dark brown color. Light brown color. red color, black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a school bus. See you.